Here's a beautiful little AM radio and alarm clock. It has a nice leather case, and here you can see that it still has the original plastic wrapper, and now it's out of the wrapper, and you can actually set that clock and have the radio come on at a particular time. Here's the back of the radio, and here's some more pictures of the back. You can see the clock controls here, and this radio is made in Japan, and it is a 6-transistor radio. It's got an earphone outlet also. Here's the inside of the radio, and as you can see, it requires 2 penlight batteries, and it's also very clean. Okay, here's a demo of the radio.
From News Talk 680 WPTF. Would you support a national economy and evil empire? Live from Los Angeles, this is the Jim Rome Show on Premier Radio Network.
I have set the alarm so the radio will turn on in a few minutes.
The Buckeyes were 42-19 this year. They're a good team. Look, I know the Big Ten's down in football and can't compete nationally with the best, but I didn't know that baseball would be affected the same way.